How to add photo and video in InShot. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, and there are a lot of ways that you can execute it. So let's go through them and see them one by one. Let me go ahead and open up InShot and pick a random video. Say for example this one right here, and let me just make things simpler. So um, the first thing is, if you wanted to add a photo next to this video right here, in which the video will be playing and after that the photo will be playing, or vice versa, you can click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, this red one, and then click on video/photo, and then go ahead to photos and select your photo. As you can see, the photo has been added here. So when the photo will be playing, and then the video will be playing, or you can click and hold on it and switch the position in which the video will be playing, and after that the photo will be playing once the video ends. So this is the first option. Now if you want to add the second option is, you can add a picture inside the video. So let me show you how it's done. You can click on this sticker icon right here and then click on sticker, and here at the top you will see this menu right here. Click on the photo icon, which is the first one, then click on the plus icon to add, then go ahead and select your photo, and here as you can see the photo has been added inside the video, in which the video will be playing and the photo will be playing alongside with the video. Now you can do this using another option, which is this one right here, the picture in picture, this one. If you clicked on it, you can also directly select your picture, and you can here play around with it. You can modify it, you can make it big or small, you can rotate it, and yeah, you can place it around the screen. And the video, once the video will be playing, the photo will be playing, you can here adjust the time frame, etc. So yeah, those were the ways that you can add photos to InShot. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add photo to video in InShot. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.